Gold wheels.
Hi, Hoot and Toot. Guess what? The mayor has asked me to drive her around today.
That's great, Wilson.
She must really like you.
Yeah. Better not be late. Wheels to the rail!
Uh-oh. Doesn't Wilson need a car, too?
Oops, I bet he forgot. Where's the mayor going to sit?
Poor Wilson. Wait, we could take one to him.
Aw, that's really thoughtful, Hoot. To the rolling stockyard.
Hiya, Mayorness.
Hello.
I'll be your wheels for the day. All aboard. Oh, bumpers, my car.
He'll never know.
Thanks. Oh, you won.
Oh, hold on there, you two. I just wanted to say that helping Wilson was so kind and thoughtful.
Thanks, V.
I'm really proud of you both. In fact, I'm going to award you a gold wheel.
A gold wheel?
Super duper.
Watch the reward board. Congratulations, Hoot and Toot.
Yay!
Honkin' horns! You only need one more gold wheel.
What happens then?
V will give you a really special treat.
Like what?
Oh, it's always a surprise.
Yay! I love surprises.
Can't wait.
You'll get there soon, if you're good. See ya!
I want another gold wheel now. Come on, Hoot, let's find a way to get one.
Looking good, Irving.
Thank you, thank you. Neat and tidy, that's how I like it.
But, Toot, what else can we do to get a gold wheel?
I'm not sure. We usually get them without expecting them.
Yeah.
Ooh, I know. Let's ask Brewster.
V awards gold wheels for things like cleaning up, being helpful, or even learning something.
Cleaning up? To the chug washers?
Not everyday cleaning up. A gold wheel is for doing something extra special without being asked.
Let's try being helpful, Toot.
Good.
Need any help, Eddie?
Not right now, Toot.
Thanks, but I'm sorting the rolling stock, so there's no room for you two.
Sorry, I've already cleaned the yard from track to tunnel. But it's very nice of you to offer.
Nice enough to get a badge?
No, don't push your luck.
Come on, Hoot. No one needs help. We better learn something instead. Ooh, can you show us how to use that wagon, please?
Sorry, it's kind of complicated, and I am in a rush.
Teach you how to be a steam engine. Hey, I don't think you've got the right parts, Loopin' Fruit.
Can you show us how to do that, Koko? Sorry, not now. People are waiting for their newspapers. We've tried everything Brewster said, but there's nothing to clean up.
No one needs help.
And nobody has time to teach us anything. So how can we get another gold wheel?
We can't.
And thanks again, Mayor Pullman. See you next time. Goodbye.
Ew, I see you have a very important passenger. Yes, gotta go.
Wilson.
Oopsie. You'd forget your wheels if they weren't bolted on.
You'll think of something. V likes Chuggers to show a little get up and go.
What's get up and go?
You know, coming up with ideas and doing things for yourself.
Get up and go.
There are still lots of wagons to learn. We could try and teach ourselves.
Yeah, to the rolling stock yard.
Ready, Hoot?
Ready!
How does this work?
Don't know, but it can't be that hard. What's this do? Huh? Stop it!
Let's try something else.
We better clean up first.
No, it's okay. Irving will do it.
My paint wagon's not working.
I think mine's empty. Oh, it's not. But I can't work out how to use it.
Back to the rolling stock yard.
The siren doesn't work.
We'll have to do it.
This magnet cart doesn't do anything.
Yeah, let's try something else.
Oh, where did everything go? There's just this boring one left.
We can learn that.
Forward, reverse, forward, reverse.
Does it do anything else?
No. We did it! We learned how to use the flatbed car.
All by ourselves with our get up and go.
I see. And what are all those other wagons?
Just the ones we didn't know how to use.
Do we get a gold wheel?
There's rolling stock everywhere.
I've been sprayed with paint that won't come off.
Oh, it'll take me hours to clean up this mess.
I'm steaming. Someone took my tender car. I can't find it anywhere.
Someone took all my tools.
Sorry, Hoot and Toot. I can't award you a gold wheel for what you've done. In fact, I'm going to have to take one away.
Oh, no!
And I want the depot back like it was.
Yes, V.
We're sorry, V.
We've been selfish, Hoot. All we thought about was getting our wheel.
I know, we didn't think about anyone else.
Better get started.
Whoopsie. Thanks again for earlier. Need a helping wheel?
Yes, please.
Let's clean those rails!
Finished! Thanks for helping, Wilson.
That's all right. One good turn deserves another.
You learned a hard lesson today. So, I've decided you do deserve a gold wheel after all.
Yay! Thanks, V. And next time we'll know
To clean up